Need fruits and vegetables, but don't want to leave your house? Want to do organic fruits and vegetables, but worried that it's too much money? Let's do this subscription review for Misfits Box. Hi, Land of And. We're doing subscription box review for Misfits today. So here we go.
Okay, so this is going to be a Misfit, and I'm going to open this up. I already cut it because I was really excited, so let's open it. I took a quick peek, but I could only see this much, so let's do more. Oh.
Really? You're going to take it one apple at a time?
We have a lot more coming, so you wait.
Okay. Meet Misfits Market. It's a subscription box of fruits and vegetables that is 100% organic. Where does this produce come from? It comes from the same organic farms that supply to supermarkets. Why don't these fruits and vegetables make it to the supermarket? A host of different reasons. They can be too big, they can have cosmetic blemishes, the farmer could have had just too many, or they could just need a few days to ripen. That one just looks a little funny. It's okay though. So what goes into our subscription reviews? First star is for quality. Is the quality consistent over 6 months or longer? The second star is for the order process. Is it easy to upgrade or downgrade if you want to customize your box? Third star is for customer service. Getting the customer service star is based on two things. One, is there a live option to reach somebody immediately, whether it be by phone or by message? And two, does the issue resolution actually make sense, and does it keep the customer in mind? The fourth star is about brand. Is a company one that's interested in sustainability? Is it environmentally friendly? Is it humane? Does the company seem like it's doing right by its customers? Does it seem like it's doing right by the community as well? Last but not least, the fifth star is for value, overall value in two dimensions. The first one is the price comparison. Is it worth the money? It's the comparison of competitors in the market. And the second is, does it save you time? Are you paying more for the convenience, or are you saving money overall for buying in bulk? Let us rescue the vegetables!
We got some lovely lettuce.
Oh. That's not lettuce.
Celery. Oh my gosh.
Why is the celery so exhausting? The quality of the fruit and vegetables in Misfits Market boxes have been pretty good. We've gotten this box for over 8 months now, just about every week. So we've had a lot of boxes to go through and have seen a lot of different fruits and vegetables. The way they package the fruits and vegetables works really well. They use eco-friendly packaging as well. And the quality of the fruits and vegetables themselves are pretty great. They are on par with other organic fruits and vegetables.
No.
You know what that is. What is that?
This is lettuce. Oh, really floppy. This lettuce is really floppy.
Okay.
More floppy lettuce.
Is that your name for it? It's called floppy lettuce? The initial ordering process on the website is pretty easy. You choose between 2 different sizes, and you get to customize the day of the week that you want it to come, in addition to when you want it to be delivered. You can do as frequent as once a week. From the website, you can change your box at any time. You can change the frequency, you can change your delivery date. You can also decide if you want them to decide what's in your box or if you want to customize it yourself. With their clear and easy website, they get a star for order process. Olivia, are we still unboxing? What are you doing? These poor vegetables are stuck.
I'm a unicorn!
Why is it a big deal to have what are you doing?
I'm a unicorn.
No, we can finish this. All we need to do is unbox the vegetables. That's the whole goal.
Way too crazy.
Misfits Market does not have a live customer service option. You cannot reach them through chat or phone immediately. And so because of this, they don't get the star for customer service. We have reached out through their email form on their website and have gotten a response. So there is that.
Okay, don't peek, because...
It's an unboxing. This is what we peek at.
This red thing was hiding.
You don't know what it's called? You know what it's called. You just said it.
Apple?
No, it's not an apple. It's a potato. One of my favorite things about the Misfit Market brand is what they do and what they're trying to do with the produce in the nation. They're trying to save the produce that would otherwise go to waste. They are trying to redistribute where the food goes so that it's useful and it's consumed. I think that is a great mission. They solve a problem to stop food waste, and they provide organic produce to people all over the country. Okay, it might not be all over the country, but they do serve a large portion of the nation. For this reason, I think they're a great company and their brand is really strong. So they definitely get a star for brand. It's a lettuce.
It's a cookie size.
It's Go get Cookie. Go get Cookie.
By the way, Cookie is.
No, don't take it up. Don't take the cabbage upstairs.
Oh, this is exactly like Cookie cabbage.
Let's see. Hold them up together. Let me see if they're Cookie cabbage. Not its butt. Look at its face. It is similar shaped. This is true. Cookie and the cookie lettuce. Ooh.
That's so Cookie cabbage. That is so like. Say it properly. Cookie cabbage. Cookie cabbage. Boy, Cookie cabbage. It's Cookie cabbage again.
Okay, let's move it so we can see. Look at how tiny it is. And then look at Cookie.
Cookie like goes in the middle.
There we go. Sure.
These things are part of her throne.
It's like her throne with the fluffy cabbage lettuce. Okay. Oh, look, she's like eating. Oh, she can't eat it. That's like her friend. That's weird. Okay, never mind. Last category for review is value. So what we did was we took the larger box for Misfits and we figured out the price per pound, similar to what we did in the Butcher Box subscription review. I will link that as well. So looking at the price, it's $35 for this larger box, and it comes with 18 to 22 pounds of organic produce. So that's about $2 a pound for organic produce. Keeping that $2 per pound in mind, went online to search for comparable products. Found a few items in Amazon Fresh. Here we have organic lettuce, which is $5 and change per pound. We also found organic sweet-smelling peppers for also $5 a pound. Organic zucchini squash was a little bit less at $3.68 a pound. Also found some ginger at almost $4 a pound. Seeing these prices makes me appreciate the Misfit Market prices even more for organic produce that I would have to pay almost twice as much anywhere else. So definitely a star for value. So how did Misfits Market do overall? Well, it got quality, order process, brand, and value. So 4 stars. We are done! Woo! That is the Misfit box for the week. Let's see what we got. We got over there is the butternut squash, the apple, the 2 packages of tomatoes, oranges, peppers, onions. There are some grapefruits, some mangoes, some celery, broccoli, lettuce, the cookie cabbage, the other cookie cabbage, the other fluffy lettuce, and more apples, and the red skin potatoes. Thanks for joining us on Land of And. If you like the content and want to know more, please hit that like button, subscribe, and follow us on Land of And Official on Instagram.